If you're a tech junkie, then you need to check these out. Ready to dive into the best cybersecurity channels on YouTube? Let's go. All right, let's jump in. First up, Network Chuck. This guy makes learning cybersecurity fun and easy with tons of practical tips. Then we have the Cyber Mentor. If you're into ethical hacking, you can't miss his in-depth tutorials. Next is John Hammond. He's your go-to for catching up on the latest security news and trends. For a mix of hardware and cyber, check out the PC Security channel. You'll love his hands-on approach. Now, if you're all about data breaches and malware analysis, David Bombal is your dude. And don't forget about Cybersecurity Meg, bringing you top-notch advice from industry pros. Looking for quick daily updates? Follow the hated one. For the more technically inclined, Nullbyte is perfect for advanced tricks and tips. Finally, don't miss Station X for comprehensive courses and Security WD for breaking down complex topics into digestible bits. Hit that subscribe button for more cyber tips. Stay safe and happy hacking.